Soldiers wey dey under 4th Brigade Niger Army for Benin, Edo State don arrest 31 pipo wey dem suspect say dem dey do bad tins after dem raid one house for First Bank Estate, Awesome Garden wey dey along Benin Sapele bypass. The brigade commander, Brigadier General Ebenezer Oduyebo, lead the operation based on correct informate wey say the place na base for one bad internet fraud gang. The house dey disguised as computer training school wey dem dey call Yahoo School or Hustle Kingdom wey pipo sabi as HK. Inside the place, dem see desktop computers, workstation and plenty computer tools. Dem even find one hidden place wey full with juju things and ritual items wey show say dem dey use jazz for their Yahoo Yahoo work. According to wetin the brigade commander, Brigadier General Ebenezer Oduyebo, the pipo wey dem catch dey into internet fraud, kidnapping, armed robbery and other kind baba things. From wetin dem first stand find out, e be like say many of the pipo wey dem arrest no know wetin dey shele. As one man wey dem dey call Marvin Sosaboyen wey don run, carry dem go there with lie say job opportunity dey. Some of the victims talk say dem don dey trapped for the compound for like 1 to 2 years without freedom.
I got information about the activities of kidnappers and abductors around Ipobaoha. So early this morning, I sent my intelligence officer to go and find out and make further inquiry. And we were able to discover a house where about 30 boys and a girl were kidnapped and kept. So when we stormed the house, we saw them with various laptops and phones. So we find out who their master is. They say it's one Mr. Malvin's, that he left the house just this morning. And the lady, the girlfriend, could not tell us much about the man's activity. In the house, we discovered about 47 laptops and good number of phones. Obviously, what he's doing is he kidnapped or deceived people that they were coming for employment in Edo State. And when they get to Edo, they will lock them up. So some of them have been in that house for more than 2 years. Some of them for 1 year, 8 months. Some of them up to 8 months. Some of them 4 months. Actually, we got intelligence from one of our own whose brother was kidnapped. He was able to enter a Facebook account which he used to contact us, and we were able to get good description of the place. So what the man is into, he kidnaps people, adopt them, and he uses them to 419 people. In the house, we discover a lot of things, including shrines with fresh blood that was just sacrificed this morning. So that is how they came about. So we were able to storm it based on the intelligence we got, and we discovered 31 of them. They're out of their will, as I've said. Most of them, they're out of their will. They feed them only on biscuit and maybe mineral. We are not a prosecuting agency. We have called the EFCC because of their involvement in 419 and all the rest. And we have also called NAPTIP so that we're just preparing to hand them over to EFCC and NAPTIP for possible prosecution. And we'll make every effort to make sure we get the Mr. Malvin so that we can hand him over. But with the boys, it's boys that is using to secure them, and the wife, the girlfriend, supposed girlfriend, I'm sure to get them will be very easy for us.
33 years.
33 years. You are from where?
Benin Onwa.
You are from Onwa. Which side of Onwa?
Onwa East.
Onwa East. Where in Onwa East?
Afuzi.
You are from Afuzi.
Yes.
How many years have you been there?
2 years.
2 years. What have you been doing? How did you get there?
It's my brother that brought me there. My brother that brought me there. They now take him to another office. He now from another office room. I mean, now I don't have any way to run.
What are you doing there? What have you been doing there in that 2 years?
We'll be pressing laptop.
Huh?
We'll be doing Yahoo, pressing laptop.
You're doing Yahoo. Have you been paying you?
Yes.
They paying you? How much have you been paying? How much has been your salary? How much did they pay you?
Many women don't pay me. All the money we don't collect for there, it all is like 60-something dollars.
60-something million?
60-something dollars.
60-something thousand dollars? Dollars?
Yes.
60-something $1,000? Women, they pay you from abroad?
Yes, sir.
Who you call to give the money to?
The money, they say that they share the percentage. Say our percentage na 30%. I said the 30%, now that they keep the money. Since I start to collect the money, I never see 1 naira. Unless say the human will pay, they will say maybe person cover for the house. Now let that one be the one where I don't see. as they share the percentage, they say the percentage na 70-30. Now the 30 percentage, now the 30 percentage. So as they save the money, they save the money for their hand. If person still do something, they will say they don't call the money come out. All the money where they save for their hand since this 30 now, my money will call their hand na 3.5 now call their hand.
So when did they say you get the money?
I don't mean them many times. Even at the time you month, I still mean they beg, they say I beg, I want to go out. They still beat me. They beat me join.
Who they beat you now?
Now the last one where I go meet our oga, so I want to go out. Now he felt call that senior boy we wear white.
We wear white.
If I call them, see me they beat me. Now I call people, everybody for the house one by one, see me that they flog me. So now only there are two. Now be the people where me come meet. The rest now meet me.
Dala
Dala.
From where?
from Nasarawa.
From Nasarawa.
Yeah.
Tell us, from where?
Lafia.
What's your high money need this?
Before na keke I dey do for Benin before. Now as I do the work, so the owner of the keke, come dey do where he come collect the keke back. As him collect am, and me I no get anybody wey be say he dey feed me, he dey stand by me. So I decided say my join whether God fit favour me anyway, ma see the money. Now why I take join, now person come connect me with them, now I take join them, now they do the work.
What time did you join them? Still remember the time you joined them? How many years you don't spend with them?
2 years now.
2 years?
Yeah.
For these 2 years, what have you done?
And I to just wake up, we bomb, that is, we press our laptops, and we dey beg for money. That is what we do all the day.
What will be your achievement for the house for these 2 years?
I never see anything I want to achieve for there now.
You never see anything?
Yeah.
You never collect money from anywhere to me.
I never collect money.
But you never make money? So why you not feel leave that place where you did it? What happened? You know you collect money, they come. Why you can't remain there?
Well, now the shame say I fit go back empty, and then I wetin make me still dey there. So I still dey born now.
I don't know them. I was inside the room, so I'm dating the guy there. So I don't really know about all these people there because there's another passageway for me to always enter the room. So I heard noise this early morning because I'm not well. So when I stood up, I went outside. I was like, what's happening? One of the boys asked me to go back inside my room. I said, okay. That was when I went to put on my short knicker. Then I was surprised that the soldier guys made their way in and they asked everybody to come to the parlor to sit. So I don't stay there.
But you normally come there.
I don't visit there. I don't visit there every time. And like I said, and I'm still saying, there's another road for me to enter the house.
And you have not,
without me seeing all these persons.
and you have not,
I only enter the room if I'm too permitted. I go to the kitchen, and if I should meet anybody, just 1 or 2 persons. That's all. Because I don't base there much. I actually came for something on Wednesday. I don't base there much, and since I've been around, I've not entered I always get food from outside. My time of going out, maybe I can leave in the morning and come back late in the evening. That's how I normally go. If I should come, like I said, I don't see people. The only person I do see, it's the one that do open the gates for us. So me coming in, I go inside, I just take my bath and do whatever thing I have to do. That's just all.
They are not under my captivity. I'm also one of the boys among them. So we are under our chairman.
what's his name?
His name is Marvin.
Marvin who?
I don't know whether they say Marvin or Saboyan, but I don't really know his name. But I know his name is Marvin.
What are you people doing in that house?
We are working. We are doing Yahoo at the house.
The house?
Yes.
Where is the house located?
Also Garden Estate, opposite Sazi Saple Road.
Where?
The street opposite Sazi. Then inside also Garden Estate. That is how we know the address. It's off Saple Road. That is the bypass. Then opposite Sazi.
Police service.
Yes. The street is opposite Sazi. Then inside is also Garden Estate. That's where we live. We are doing fraud there.
Doing fraud there.
Yes, sir.
How do you get all these boys?
I was not the one that bring the boys. I was also among the same, like all of us are out there together working. So some of them were the one who bring themselves, and some of them their friend were the one who brought them.
Now that the Marvis is not around, who coordinates the activities?
Since it's not around, this is our senior boy. This boy here.
Yes, sir.
You are the senior boy.
Yes, I'm the senior boy to all of them.
What's the name of your master?
Marvin.
Marvin who?
Marvin, I don't know his surname, but according to him just now, the surname he called, the surname I don't remember it, but I know his name is Marvin.
How long have you been working with him?
I've been working with him for more than 3 years plus.
More than 3 years.
Yes, more than 3.
To know him?
I get to know him through my brother. He's an old friend of my brother, so they went to school together. So my brother was the one who connected me to him. Then I began to work under him for more than 3 years.
What are you doing?
We are doing Yahoo.
Things where the soldier recover from the scene now: one Toyota Corolla motor, plenty phones, laptops, MP3 players, cash and juju things, including one pot where dem believe say na for ritual. On Monday, April 28, 2025, they carried the suspects and all the things where they recover give EFCC for Benin for proper investigation and prosecution. Brigadier General Duyebo praised the soldiers and other security people who join hands to do the work, said this one na one big win for the fight to clear Edo State from crime. EFCC constantly add say them don't start to question the suspects and go carry them go court after them finish their investigation. Make una no forget say, as we see them, na so we dey talk am. We not the take blame. Ekata Ojisole, TMC News.